In the year 1929, financial markets around the world faced a catastrophe that would come to be known as the Great Depression, marking one of the deepest economic downturns in the history of industrialized nations. This event unfolded over several years, leading to devastating consequences for individuals and societies globally. In New York, the heart of economic activity, Wall Street was buzzing with excitement and speculation of endless prosperity as the Roaring Twenties reached their peak. Benny, a young stockbroker with dreams as high as the skyscrapers around him, thrived on the dizzying ascent of the stock market. He believed, as many did, in the invincibility of this financial bubble, unaware of the storm brewing beneath the surface. Benny was characterized by his ambition and an unwavering belief in the American dream. He spent long nights poring over financial charts and closed as many deals as the daylight permitted, all the while seeing his fortunes grow. Flush with success, he invested heavily and lived lavishly, a reflection of the era's culture of excess. Across the Atlantic, in a small German town, Elsa, a widowed mother of three, struggled to make ends meet. The economic strain caused by World War I reparations had already taken its toll on her family. The hyperinflation and economic instability left her frantically stitching clothes and trading them in the local market, trying to put food on the table for her children, Klaus, Gretel, and little Hans. Elsa's character was defined by resilience and resourcefulness. Her life of hardship had honed an unwavering determination to survive. Each day, she went out into the marketplace with her carefully crafted garments, bargaining hard for every pfennig to stretch her meager earnings. Back in America, as October arrived, Benny, and indeed the whole country, faced an unexpected reckoning. The stock market, which was thought to only know the way up, suddenly lost its balance. On October 29, 1929, later infamously known as Black Tuesday, the market plummeted. Benny stood amidst the chaos on Wall Street, watching his fortunes crumbled into dust. His buoyant lifestyle now seemed like a distant dream as Benny counted his losses among the fallen papers scattered around him. He wasn't alone. America had awakened to find itself drenched in debt and despair. The carefree optimism of the 20s cracked under the weight of economic reality. In Germany, Elsa found herself facing even graver challenges. The Depression had slashed what little demand there was for her goods. Yet, she refused to give in to despair. Adjusting her strategy, she diversified her crafts and tapped into community networks that provided support. Her role as a provider forced her to reinvent herself, keeping her spirits high for the sake of her children. Time passed, and Benny relocated to a smaller town to recuperate, feeling the pull of simplicity. There, he joined a cooperative farming project, learning the importance of working with the community, just like Elsa did back in Germany. He found solace in cultivating the land, connecting to life in a way stock markets never allowed. Elsa, in contrast, had stayed in her town, her children growing strong and resourceful under her guidance. She found new stability in community gardens and local barter systems, weaving a safety net that would catch her if she ever faltered. The narrative of the Great Depression is one filled with extremes, excess and collapse, despair and triumph.